Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video I want to discuss about a Canary token. So what is Canary tokens and what is its use? So Canary token is is a free tool that you can use to, it's kind of like works as a honey tokens or honeypots kind of concept. So which helps you discover that if there isn't any attacker that has breached your perimeter, or to understand if your system or resources is compromised. So it's work on the principle of honeypots or honey tokens, and it is completely free, so you can definitely test this out. So it's very easy to use Canary tokens. So there are various ways to deploy this Canary token, and you can get an alert if an attacker visits your URL, get an alert when attacker resolves a DNS name. You can get an alert when attacker attempts to use your credit card. Similarly, if someone follows you or QR code, you can do that as well. If you have a database, and you can set this token in a way to understand if there are some attackers who is trying to attempt to breach your databases. It also supports various cloud technologies like AWS, Microsoft, Azure. So you can get an alert if an attacker uses your AWS API key. So you can try various areas like log4j and sensitive command. If somebody has got access to your system and they're running some form of sensitive command, you can set it up and get an alert that if somebody tried to use some sensitive command. It support Azure login, Microsoft Word, Excel, SVN. If some XCE is executed, you can get an alert. It also can help you get an alert for attack against your MySQL server. So it has a lot of options to deploy in your enterprise environment or environment where you are constantly bombarded, or you feel like there is a possibility of an attack and you want to be better prepared for it, to see if there is any breach or not. So I'm gonna go with a very simple one to demonstrate to you. So for a PDF, so you will get an alert when an attacker opens your PDF document in Acrobat Reader. So to use this is very simple. You just go ahead and click the create, and then you enter your email address here, and then so you will just enter your email address, and you will uh, give some description like this document was placed in this folder, and all you have to do is just click create tokens. Once you do this, something like this, a file will be downloaded. You can rename this file. For example, I'm gonna rename this as my credit cards, and maybe like passwords, something like that. So just to lure the attacker into clicking this file. So I will rename this file, and if I try to open this, so although this document does not contain anything, but since I set it up with this email address, as you can see, I just quickly got a email alerts that your token, somebody was trying to access that document, and I got this, the IP address of the source from which this PDF was open. So this is how you will get an alert. So the cool thing is that it is completely free, and you can set it up as a honey token or honeypot in your environment. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in another video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.